As a licensed agent and realtor, my main role is helping sellers prepare and sell their homes on the multiple listing service or MLS. But not all homeowners want to go through the traditional process to sell their homes or even have their homes listed on the MLS. There could be a number of reasons why. Perhaps they need a fast sale or don't want to go through the hassle of fixing up the home or having showings and open houses. Sometimes homeowners are in the process of buying a new home and want or need to get their home sold quickly to ensure the deal is secure. Having worked with hundreds of sellers, I understand that everyone's needs are different, and therefore I've tailored my services to accommodate a number of different solutions to fulfill these sellers' needs. As a homeowner, whether you need a quick direct sale or want to maximize your property sales potential with some updates, this video is for you. Here I'll go over 5 different selling scenarios so you can find the right solution that will work for you. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group and Keller Williams. I'm a top agent here in Silicon Valley, and today I want to talk to you about home selling and the different solutions available to get your home sold. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be alerted of any new videos. Determining the right course of action when you sell your home may not be so obvious. There are times when selling your home quickly and an as-is may be better than spending money and time trying to maximize your home's potential. As a real estate professional and an expert in Santa Clara and the South Bay, helping sellers assess the different options to sell your home and the benefits and risks of each option is what I do. I have another video that talks about the various things that you need to consider when you're faced with the dilemma of fixing up your home or selling it as is. If you're interested in exploring more on this subject, be sure to check out my video, Should I Fix My House Up or Sell It As Is? I'll post the link down below in the comment section. Let's explore all the options available to you when you decide to sell your property. The easiest and most straightforward way to sell your property is with an instant all-cash offer. Why would someone prefer to take an all-cash offer instead of listing their home on the MLS? Well, circumstances may be that you need to get your home sold fast, or just you don't see the need to go through all the hassle of listing the home on the MLS, the showings, and everything involved to sell your home. This is where an instant all-cash offer could help you get your home sold quickly and get you the proceeds from the sale in a matter of days. This is how it works. We will market your home to our network of investors and get you a number of all-cash offers to choose from. We can get you as many as 3 offers within 48 hours of showing your home. You'll skip the hassle of preparing your home, the showings, listing your home, and we'll sell your home in as-is condition. You can take what personal property you want from your home, and we can arrange for the buyer to dump what's left over. You'll benefit from multiple offers from investors looking to buy homes that they can turn around and fix up and sell, or offers from buyers who are interested in buying a home like yours who have access to an all-cash home buyer program and will enable them to secure a cash offer and close quickly. All cash offers offer lots of flexibility in regards to the condition of the property and can close in 10 days or less, meaning you can get your proceeds from the sale faster and there's no loan to worry about. This program will guarantee you a minimum free 30-day rent back that allows you to remain in your home for 30 days after your home closes. There's also a possibility that we can extend that rent back beyond 30 days. The downside of an instant all-cash offer is that your home will not be exposed to the greater market, and therefore there's a chance that there's a buyer out there willing to pay more for your home if they were just aware of it. So not listing your home on the MLS may result in the home selling for a price below what it could sell for had it been exposed to a larger pool of buyers. The positive is that your selling costs are lower since you may not have to offer a commission to a buyer's agent, and you can get your home sold quickly without all the hassle of putting it on the market and the buyer having to secure a loan. The next option is specifically designed for those buyers who have found the home that they want to buy but need to sell their existing home first. This is referred to as the trade-in. The trade-in is perfect for this type of buyer. The program is for homeowners who find themselves in a predicament of wanting to buy a new home but may not have the time to get their home sold, or would have to sell their home prior to finding a new home. This is one of the main obstacles that prevent many of the sellers in our area from moving. I've got a specific video that goes over this buyer dilemma in detail. For more information, be sure to access the link below on how to buy and sell a home at the same time. I'll make sure to post that link down in the comments section. If you want to move up to a new home and need to sell your home fast, the trade-in program is what you're looking for. The trade-in program allows you to sell your home, get the proceeds, and you can remain in your home for up to 60 days while you close on your new home and wait to move into your new home. Unlike the instant all-cash offer, you can still list your home on the MLS and get top market value for your home. This program removes the stress of having to sell your existing home before finding a new home or having to move twice. In this scenario, we first get you a guaranteed offer on your home at a price that you would know in advance. This offer is just a benchmark, so you know what price your home would definitely sell for if you just needed to sell it. With this price, you'll have a better understanding of your budget for your new home and allow you to obtain the financing necessary to buy that home. The way this program works is it'll allow you to increase your buying power and buy your new home before you sell your existing home. After you close escrow on your new home, we will list your old home on the market, and if your old home sells for more than what you were originally offered in your guaranteed offer, you'll get the difference. If it doesn't sell for the guaranteed offer price, you just accept the guaranteed offer and cash out. This option allows flexibility for existing homeowners to move and a safety net ensuring they can get a guaranteed price for their home, but also the opportunity to sell their home for a higher market value. The drawback is this program does cost more money in order to set up. However, being able to list your home and utilize the home selling marketing program and full exposure to the MLS, we are likely to bring in more buyers and a higher price to offset those costs. Our home selling program, the Complete Selling Solution, encompasses everything you need to know about selling your home, and it includes our Renovate Now and Pay Later program, when you can pay for the updates and repairs at the close of escrow. Also included is our complimentary professional staging. I'll go over more details about our home marketing program. If you want some more information about the Complete Selling Solution, I'll be sure to post the link down in the comments section. Option number 3 is the quick listing process. The quick listing process is designed to get your home on the market quickly, without lots of hassle, and save you money on selling fees and commissions. If you're selling a home that has been updated and it's pretty much ready to show and you feel you don't need to go through the hassle of lots of renovation, staging, this is a great option for you. With the quick listing process, we can get in quickly and do some quick touch-ups and repairs, plan the staging and the interior cleaning, and get your home ready in a matter of days or just a few weeks. Your home would be able to take advantage of our full marketing plan, including professional photography, 3D tours, video, and our top-level staging. In addition, the home would be listed on the MLS and featured in the top real estate web portals such as Zillow, Homes.com, and Redfin. For more information about our marketing services, check our service offering down below. I'll post a link down in the comment section. Another scenario may be that your home isn't in good showing condition. Perhaps there's just too much work required really to make a difference and make your home stand out. If this is the case, you may just want to sell as is, as it may not make financial sense to go through the trouble of updating the home. You can still take advantage of the market and list the home on the MLS and get a better price than an instant cash offer. For instance, a few years ago, a seller approached me about selling his late mother's home. This home was in poor condition and not livable by the standards of most buyers. The seller could have taken advantage of the Full Service Plus program, where we manage all the renovations and they could pay after the close of escrow. In this specific case, the estimated repairs and updates required to make this home appeal to buyers and bring about a significant enough improvement was close to around $100,000 and would take roughly 8 to 10 weeks. However, the market was starting to slow down, and I could sense that the likelihood of a market correction was looming. The seller in this case did not want to risk the market changing and instead elected to use the quick listing process and sell the home in its current condition. Within the week, the seller had multiple offers, and 30 days later, the deal was closed. Within a few weeks after the close, the market slowed significantly and corrected. Had the seller elected to spend the 8 weeks renovating, all the equity and profits from the improvement would have been lost due to the drop in home values. When deciding whether to fix or sell your home as is, make sure you speak with an agent that understands the market. As a top listing agent in the area and one that follows financial and economic trends, I try to anticipate market shifts and prepare my clients. The benefits of the quick listing process is that the home receives top-tier marketing and full exposure on the MLS, bringing in more buyers and a higher price. Since the process doesn't involve so much pre-work, the quick listing process has lower listing costs. Full service, renovate now and pay later are complete selling solution. Home buyers in our market want good homes, and they're willing to pay top dollar for a good property. If you want to get top dollar for your home, you'll want to tap into this segment of the market. Perhaps your home is in good condition, but it needs some work to make it stand out and attract this type of buyer. Perhaps new flooring, some updates to the kitchen and bathrooms, or perhaps there's quite a bit of deferred maintenance that needs to be addressed before the home is listed. Whatever it is, we'll take care of it. We have designers, contractors, tradespeople, cleaners, stagers, all the necessary professionals to get the job done right, quickly, and for lower costs. Once we've determined a plan and established a budget, we'll get to work getting the home ready to be listed. Once completed, the home will stand out in the market and benefit from professional marketing and staging, and you'll get top dollar. For more information about the program, check out our complete selling solution. I've posted the link down below. In addition to the full service program, we have our full service plus program. Sometimes it makes more sense to do substantial updates to a home to make it stand out and get the maximum return. Depending on your home and the market, updating the kitchen, bathrooms, installing a new roof, and freshening up the interior will make a huge difference. These updates have to be carefully planned and executed. If done correctly, they can result in big gains when you sell. If not, they can result in a loss of time and opportunity and ultimately end up costing you more. So before engaging in any substantial updates, be sure to consult with a professional in your specific market, someone who knows your area, the homes, and understands the market and how it's trending. The full service renovate now and pay later caps out at around $35,000 in upgrades. The Full Service Plus program is for larger projects which can involve more cost and time. If your home has potential and you're willing to invest the time and money, Full Service Plus might be the right way to sell your home. Again, due to the time and money involved in the Full Service Plus program, you'll want to make sure you consult with a professional that has experience with these projects and understands your home and its market. When faced with the need of selling a home, it's important to have different options which can provide you with the right solution to get your home sold. Whether you're looking to sell your home quickly, you're looking to buy a new home, or want to maximize your home sale, my team and I provide several solutions that'll fit your needs. Part of my initial consultation with a homeowner is identifying the right solution and the associated costs, risks, and benefits so they can decide what's the best course of action for them. If you need to get your home sold, please schedule a consultation to discuss your needs and learn more about the different options available to sell your home. Until next time, I'm Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group and Keller Williams.